Alright guys, welcome back to Beachhead Customs. Today we have a box sitting right here that Tech and I are gonna unbox. We got some Chinese snacks and up in here that we're gonna taste and try out. Not sure what's in here. It's one of those random boxes that we just ordered in for like $15. And there should be 22 items total. We're gonna crack into it. It's gonna be some candy, maybe some little tiny snacks. But nothing like, we're not getting a whole Japanese meal inside this box.
God.
Where is he? He said, where is he?
Oh my gosh.
In a bag.
See, it looks like fortune cookies.
He said fortune.
He said that's 22 fortune cookies. Oh god.
So here, take one of these. I'll take one of these. No, let's crack it open. Alright. You act like we're gonna be able to know what this says.
It looks like you took a bagel and you shrank it.
A little tiny bagel.
It's a little bagel.
What's inside? Oh, look what's inside. That looks like, that looks frigged, man.
I gotta eat this?
Yeah, look at that. Ah, that's bad. That's bad. I don't know what that is, man. It's like a shell. It's like opening an oyster or something. A clam.
Oh, I don't want to eat this.
Bro, it has like the consistency of
what does it taste like?
Oh, I don't know why. That's bad. You gotta try it.
What's that shell taste
I don't know. It's like real crumbly. I don't know how to. The shell tastes fine. It's like fortune cookie.
Oh, bro, that looks nasty.
Nah, we're putting it.
That looks like some algae.
Nah, that one's done. That one's done for me.
Oh, I gotta try it.
Just take a little bite. A little bite. Get a little bit of that. That's whack.
Oh, bro, I gotta
That's bad. Go. Just go.
Oh.
That's bad.
What? Oh, bad stuff.
First one was not really good. The first one led Tuck to the bathroom. I was not mini bagel. Give me that. Let's get rid of that now, instantly.
Oh god.
There's still more.
Bro, there's more too. No, these are like.
Them Jones look good.
Squishy.
They look flavored. Alright, we're gonna try something else now. We're not sure, bro. We can split this.
You wanna split it?
Yeah, crack it open. We'll split that.
Like some little wafers. We got no wafers.
Wafers? Yeah, I couldn't tell you what any of this Jones says. It's all. Alright, let me get this. It's like a corn wafer. He's like a corn wafer.
Surfboard?
I don't know. It's like compressed popcorn from.
It really doesn't taste like anything. What next? These look like the little crackers you get with your soup.
The little like hexagon ones or whatever. And the soup crackers.
You trying to eat these?
Yeah, break them open. It probably tastes like the last one.
Oh god, they're about to go everywhere.
Do it over that bag then or something.
I got you. Little Jones.
They're crunchy. They got like a sweet flavor to them. They're not as like.
Those are good.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bro, they're marshmallows. They're like 10 little marshmallows. That's what it tastes like.
Nah, bro, they definitely are. Look, this one got toasted a little too much.
You feel it in your mouth? Those little marshmallows. Smack.
These look like another thing of wafers, but they're more toasted.
These kind of look like
They say Hello Kitty on them, so they gotta be good.
Hello Kitty? Not so neat. Hang on, the Hello Kitty wafers. That's like the only thing in here that's not spelled in like Japanese. Ain't it?
Nothing. What, a Kit Kat? Oh,
look at the green Kit Kats. Those green Kit Kats are smack.
Ready?
Oh, whoa.
These are like the rice things, but like...
It has some flavor to it. It's like you coated your donut at the movies. You were coating your popcorn, so that's what it tastes like. You added some coating to the rice boards.
Oh. I don't know if I like it, though.
I think I like it. We finna eat this next.
Nah.
You got one somewhere now?
You're trying to die.
It's a supreme patty.
Oh my god. Oh, Pat! Hey, shit! No!
He said, "What is this about?" It's wrapped like some butter.
Bro, it looks like a bunny.
It looks like
at the country club.
What? Oh, bro, they got deer.
What is it?
I don't know why it breaks like that.
I think it's gum.
You sure?
Is it? I don't know.
It's probably gum.
I'm not trying to swallow it.
No. We ain't trying to swallow that. That's whack.
It's gum. It's
definitely gum though.
Stimulate your senses.
That's whack.
Oh god. I want cider. You can have that.
Cider? I'll throw the cider.
This one.
These are good. I'm telling you.
This looks like coffee, so I'll take this one.
Okay.
You got cider?
Mitsuya cider.
I don't even know, bro. This doesn't even have a name on it. It just has some coffee beans.
Cider instead. Yeah, and it looks like
bro,
it looks like a
those
warhead.
mints you get.
Oh,
Yeah.
what are they? The ones in the brown bag. I'll put a picture on the screen. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Oh, bro, this tastes like straight black coffee. It's pretty good.
This tastes like bubblegum. Looks like
This tastes
it
like
has
a
a little
straight
sting to it. It's like bubblegum. Bubblegum Sprite. I'm so far having a good experience with a lot of this food, except for the first one. First one was nah.
Black.
I opened it up and I was like, I'm glad I opened it up first though, because if I would have bit into that straight up, I'd been like,
Probably would have thrown it out.
yeah, I'm out.
Seriously.
I'm out. Just finishing up these, halfway through. Tuck and I had some different experiences with mine. Mine kind of tasted like a cider with like a bubble gum. It was the cider thing, but it was kind of fizzy in my mouth. Tuck's his split, and he has some white stuff in the middle.
It's the cream and sugar.
It's the cream and
You
sugar.
got black coffee for half. It's just like those mints you buy at like CVS. You always get them at your grandma's house.
I know. I'll put them on. They know what we're talking about.
These look like mini waffles.
Mini waffles, bro. There's another one.
What?
What?
Oh, no,
We're saving
bro,
that for
we can't eat
Claudia.
that.
Claudia's trying that.
You think? Nah, bro.
Yeah.
What about this one?
Okay, we'll split that and then we'll knock those out.
This looks like another one of those rice.
Bro,
chocolate.
it kind of reminds me of a Little Debbie. The
Yeah,
Little
kinda.
Debbie Jones. There's ones that look like that.
No.
They're smacked. They're pretty smacked, but this looks like a rice cookie. It doesn't have any cream in the middle.
You get a bite first, and then I'll.
Just
take a bite.
split me, bro.
No, I'm sick.
All right.
Is it good?
Looks like there's like bugs and rice in here.
No, not bugs. Why'd you say that, bro?
Bro, look at it.
Oh.
That works.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You got beetles in
It
here.
kind of tastes like something you eat at the Chinese restaurant.
You got some little roaches. Oh no.
You got the
no,
roaches.
Don't do Chinese like that, bro.
It's crunchy. You
Yes,
got this
dude.
at the 100-item
It
buffet.
smells like soy sauce, bro.
I know. It tastes like some Chinese food.
No, it's bitter. Oh,
It's bitter.
Not a fan. Not a fan.
Pink.
Try it.
Lychee candy.
I'll take this one, bro.
Okay.
Oh,
Maybe not.
This looks like a seaweed flavor.
Seaweed.
And
Ah,
it's
that's a
dark
green apple right there. You're either getting some like green tea or your Japanese green tea type thing. Oh my god, there goes mine. Right out the wrapper.
Yeah, you got half a griffin on there.
The shit ran all the way under the bed.
Open it.
That's 30 seconds.
Swear, seaweed.
This tastes like some Joe and I would eat at Tyler's house. Tyler,
Oh, no.
Tyler has a little. What is it?
Oh,
Tastes like seaweed.
Oh.
That tastes like seaweed.
It tastes terrible. Oh my god.
Mine tastes good. Bro, put it up there with the save. Man,
Bad experiences. Can we get to something that we know gonna taste good?
I don't know if you're gonna like that. It tastes like green tea, but we're gonna crack it open.
Why are these Japanese people obsessed with tea? Oh, this look nasty too. This look like Frankenstein
I
Kit
told
Kats.
you, it's green tea. It's like, why? It's so tiny.
You could barely fit the Kit Kat logo on there. Green inside. Your wafers aren't even.
They should release these
Oh
in
no,
the
these
U.S.
smack.
They should release them in the U.S. for St. Patrick's Day, like a Fairmont shake.
Any Kit Kat smacks.
Hang on. Oh, shit. This is tea, though. I'm telling you. If you look that flavor up, it's like a green tea.
Alright. Put 5 on it.
Okay.
Kit Kat.
Put 5 on it.
Oh, green tea. Shit.
Yeah.
No, green flavor.
What?
Which one? The green tea Kit Kat.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
I'm from more wafers, bro. These
Okay.
are the only things that you're safe
You
with.
can trust them.
You know they're gonna taste like plain.
You can trust them.
Anything else got whack flavors. Here you go, bro.
Thank you.
These look like
These are flat.
These look like some crushed pancakes.
And little tiny pancakes. They're hard. Probably the hardest wafer we had.
Oh, bro, they have nuts in them. Dude, they got
nuts in them.
little nuts.
They don't taste like much.
No, it's
Much
just,
at all.
It's just like nuts. Oh, it's squishy. Oh no. We cutting it open?
We're just gonna cut it. And then we can split it. And whatever's inside is inside.
Oh my god.
Here,
I
hang
don't like
on.
it. I don't like the. Oh no, hell
Hang
no.
on. What's inside?
I don't know, but it's way too squishy, bro.
Why does it feel like that? It's so moist.
Feels like a
Here,
dog
tuck,
turd.
tuck it. What is it? It's like a little loaf of bread.
There ain't even
Little
nothing
loaf of
in
bread,
there.
dude. I thought there was gonna be something whack in there. Not gonna lie. but it's really squishy. It's really moist. Really nice and moist.
Okay, chill with that word.
Bro, it falls apart. It's like banana bread. It has the consistency of like banana bread. It's really chewy.
It doesn't even taste like bread. It's like...
Nah, it's like
it
straight
gets in
dough.
your mouth. It's
they undercooked this bread. They got the straight dough.
Yeah, this tastes like cookie dough, bro. We're about to get salmonella.
We're gonna die.
Oh.
No, this tastes whack.
No, it's good, bro.
No. It tastes weird.
Crazy.
Save
These donuts are squishy too. This looks like a little jelly donut. This one's strawberry. Oh no.
Well, this one gotta be fruity too.
Yeah, this whole thing fruity.
Oh, why does it feel like that? Just touch that. Oh, why does it feel like that?
It's like Jello.
It's like there's something
God.
inside of like a water balloon. Like it's in water. Oh no.
Nah, this
bro, it bounced back. It bounced back.
Okay, this
Right,
one.
cracked it. It's marshmallow inside.
It looked like it's covered with powdered sugar, but that ain't how powdered sugar is bone. Way worse than that. That's the same thing that was inside the
What is
oysters.
that?
Oh, rest in peace.
Inside the oysters, he said. A little bit.
Bro,
I'll get up there and show you all
bro,
that. That
you
looks
should not
whack.
eat it if the tip of the knife will not cut it open. What? There's some type of strawberry type shit.
Just get a little piece of it.
How, bro? It doesn't.
I don't like the consistency of this stuff, man.
It's a marshmallow with some strawberry goo in there.
Goopy said.
No.
I don't know about the consistency's
this
whack.
Bad. It's just weird.
The consistency's whack.
It's better than the Jones though.
This
oyster?
is better than the first oysters we had.
Hey, if somebody gave me these for Halloween, I'd be pissed.
One of the things I love about Bass Pro is they have 3 great ways to shop. You can head into one of their awesome stores, visit BassPro.com, or get great gear from that catalog Johnny Morris sends out. Hi, here's your package. Bass Pro Shops, where commitment, passion, and the great outdoors all come together. Why would you shop anywhere else?
And we're back after the commercial break.
Cracking up these
We're opening
waffles.
those. Here, I better close this knife.
These are, oh my god, they smell.
Smell like what? They're like veggie chips.
Ooh.
It tastes like veggie chips. Chill, bro.
Alright, my bad.
Calbee, whatever that says, type veggie chip. Okay, let's roll.
We almost finished, bro.
I know, we're getting down there.
This looks like that bread stuff again. This is what I'm afraid to try, bro.
Let's split that. Come on.
Alright, so it looked like we got a piece of bread, but it also could be a warhead. I don't know. Got that joint open.
Here.
It looks like a green. It looks like a moldy piece of bread.
It's bread again. It feels better than the other bread though.
It's harder.
I
I bet it's pistachio flavor.
Doesn't taste like much
Doesn't really
anyway.
have a flavor. That was decent.
It has kind of like a green tea flavor, bro. Not gonna lie.
You and your green tea.
I swear, and it's green. It's all natural. All natural dyes, colors, and flavors.
I don't know, bro. We're from Japan here. Another one of these bread, Jones.
This bread, man. Is it all one piece? I need to slice it.
Bro, they eat good. They be getting their carbs over in
Slice it
Japan.
up. Bro, it's easy to make. It's cheap. There. Sponge cake, he said.
Bro, it does look like a little angel cake. Angel food cake.
Angel food cake.
Oh, it feels like it too.
Smells like it as well.
It is. It's a little angel food cake.
That's not bad.
No, that's one of the best.
That's one of the best cakes we've had. And we've had some pretty good cakes, huh, Tuck?
No. Speak for yourself. Less chip thing.
The last little
Looks
wafers.
like it got something on it.
Now I believe you. They could be some
They put it on the grill.
They really cooked them on the grill.
Oh, these ones are tough.
They're hard. But they have that really strong rice flavoring again, like you're at the movies, and you put like the ranch and the butter and joint all over it.
The one without anything on it was the best to me. The plain ones.
I did like the really strong one. That just kind of tastes like it wasn't too hard. And just like that, we're down to 2 last items.
You can have the flower kiss.
Okay, man.
I got cow
It
juice.
tastes like that's like milky, bro. Tyler has this.
Really?
Ooh, this has nice little texture. Looks like
No, you're on some berries.
some berries. It's a
berries.
pink snake skin.
Oh, this one has the same texture.
Oops! All berries.
They had oops all berries, nigga.
What oops?
What oops? You put all berries, nigga?
What?
What? Like somebody just hit the button and was like, oops, nigga, all berries. Put shit on the shelves.
If it has a cow on it,
So far, so good.
mine tastes like some.
Oh yeah, bro. This tastes even more like your jump.
This tastes like some type of berries too.
If you drink the
Exactly.
if you drink the coffee and the cream at the same time, you don't even need breakfast.
You put one in one side and one in the other.
Soak on this though. Get some coffee, add some cream, you're done.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. It's probably super long and we tried a lot of different stuff here. We still got the candy in our mouth, so it's probably gonna be a little weird chewing, and we'll clean all that up in a little bit. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like, you know, just to show us that you enjoyed the content. We're gonna try a lot of other foods from a lot of different countries. If you guys want us to, you can order more in or whatever. You can try a bunch of different stuff. If you guys like the food content, let us know. Comment down below what we should try next in the comment section. You guys know what it is, and subscribe to this channel if you are new. Want to see more of this content? I'll have Tuck's Instagram on the screen right now, but it will also be linked down below. Thanks, Tuck, for coming out and trying some of this Joan with me. It was a lot of fun, and we enjoyed it, so we hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We're out.